In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message from your Telegram to Discord or to another Telegram. Let's say that you have this Telegram chat or this group or, I don't know, a DM chat. This is a bot chat, but can be anything. And you want to forward this chat, this message to your Discord text channel. You can do that. Or you can forward to another Telegram. You can also do that. To do that, we need to go to ForwardMsg.com. We can click on Get Started. You can click on Add Automation. Put whatever name you want, like Telegram to Discord. And click on Add. On the automation settings, we need to select a Telegram account. You can also use a Discord bot, but for this example, we're going to use a Telegram account. You need to select the Telegram account that you want to forward the message. I already have added mine. You can click on Add Telegram account to add your Telegram account. You're going to need your API ID, API hash. If you don't know how to get that, don't worry. You can watch this tutorial teaching you how to do that, or you can see the documentation. I'm going to select my account. I want to forward to Discord, and you can click on Update Settings. And then you can go to the bottom of the page, and here you can change the message that is being forwarded. The message right here represents the original message. The author is the name of the user that sent the message. You can use only the message if you want, or you can add a footer like a referral code or some message like subscribe, like, I don't know, it's by you. You add whatever you want here. And here you can select the forward to the destiny of this message. So we want to select here the Discord bot. I already have added mine. You can click here in Add Discord bot, put the name of the bot, put the Discord bot token. You can see the tutorial teaching you how to do that. Let me pick the Discord bot that I already have added. And here you can select the Discord chat that you want to forward the message. Let's pick the Discord chat. Let's add it first. Crypto house chat. And you need the channel ID to do that. To get that, you can see the tutorial, but it's easy. You need to enable the developer mode. You can go to the text channel, click with the right button, click on copy channel ID, and paste here, and click on add, and click on update config. Now we need to select the channels that the chats actually that we want to forward the message. We need to start the automation. When your automation is started, you can go to the bottom, and here you can select the chat that we want to forward. This is the channel to forward, group to forward. So let's search by that, channel to forward. Nice. And we also want the group to forward. So group to forward. I think this one. Nice. And now if everything is set, we go to the Discord. Remember to add your bot to your server on Discord. And if we go to the Telegram and we send something like here, like hello world, we can see that the message is forwarded with the footer message, subscribe, like. If you want to remove this, you can do so. Let's remove this. Let's only put like a smile. Update the config. Let's go back and hello again. You can see that we have this smile and the original message. If we go to the group, banana, apple. Oh, I think I added the wrong chat right here. Let's search for the group to forward again, because I think I have two groups with the same name. I think now it's fine. Let's try again. Banana, apple, 2. Let's see. Yeah, was that. And if you want to forward like an image, like let me do a screenshot right here, like this. If I want to forward, the message is going to be forwarded to this crypto call chat on Discord. So that's it. This is how you can forward your message from Telegram to Discord.